In this tutorial, we will learn how to design our own templates for generating the report. As shown in the report video, to create a report, we simply need to generate a breakdown details to extract all the model data. Then we just fill in the corresponding fields in the report panel. Finally, we generate the report. By default, a standard template is used, but this template can be fully customized to your liking. To do this, go to the File tab and click on the User Folder command. In the File Explorer, open the Report folder and double-click on Report Template 1. This will open the default template, which you can now modify. I'll create an example template, but you can always design your own. We'll start by deleting the view boxes, keeping only one. Then go to the Curve tab and create a rectangle that matches the size of the client ID box. Use OSNAP to help you select specific points. Change the rectangle's layer to default so that it appears in black in the final report. Next, go to the Transform tab, where you'll find the Array command. In the command bar, set the number of repetitions in the X direction to 1 and press Enter. Then set the number of repetitions in the Y direction to 7, and finally set the Y spacing to negative 10.121 millimeters, which matches the size of the other boxes. Press Enter to confirm. Now you can select the curves and edit them. Delete any unnecessary lines and move the text into their corresponding boxes. Take your time to adjust everything you need. To copy the text, simply select them, and using the Gumball, hold down Alt and drag from one of the arrows. This will create a copy. Then position it as needed. It's important to remember that text enclosed in square brackets are IDs that refer to a specific parameter. Rename the IDs for each box by double-clicking the text you want to change. Each ID must match the field title exactly, but instead of spaces, use underscores. If you need new fields, go to the Report panel. Right now, we have all these fields, but if we want to add one, we can click the plus icon at the top. We'll set the field name and then press OK. Now we'll position the remaining elements. Place the view box on the left side next to the data fields. You can type Move in the command bar to run the Move command and make positioning easier using OSNAP. Use the Scale 1D command to resize the view box to match the height of the data fields. Then, using the Gumball and holding Alt, you can duplicate it. Make several copies as needed. Position them and scale them if necessary. Now select all the texts and use the Align tool to align them properly. Lastly, delete the remaining unused fields and draw some lines for optional notes, in case you need them. Remember that you can modify anything you need. When you create new lines, make sure to switch them to the default layer so they all appear black in the report. Take your time. Now we'll edit the viewports. To do that, double-click the corresponding viewport box. In the top left corner, you can change several settings. Set the first viewport to perspective view, then select the second box and set it to front view, the third to right view, and the last one to top view. Take your time to adjust all the details carefully. To preview the views, go to the Shanks tab and return to the perspective view. Use the Cathedral command or any other reference model. We'll just use it as a guide. Now return to your template and adjust each view. By double-clicking, you can set the desired position and rotation. You can also change the display mode. For example, I'll leave the perspective view in rendered mode. Delete the reference shank once you're done. We'll save the templates in the Report folder inside the User folder. If you're not sure where it's located, you can always go to the Files tab and run the user folder command. Then, simply right-click on the path and copy it. Next, we'll go back to our project, and in the same tab under the Save submenu, we'll find Save As. In the top path bar, right-click and paste the address we copied earlier. Now we can navigate to the Report folder and save our template there. Give it a clear, descriptive name. Now it's ready to use. Now, when you have all the model data ready, you'll be able to select your custom template when generating a report. The report will be created using your personalized layout. You can always make final adjustments if needed, and it's ready to be shared with your clients.